Hi again, it's me Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design in Spain, and as you see, I have here with me
Marit from Norway.
Yes, and we did her hair a little bit color, just a little bit highlighted inside, you see, and we put just very soft makeup for tonight. She's gonna go out today. So Marit, do you want to say anything to everybody there in the ward?
Yes, it's wonderful to come here, because after coming here I am stepping out into Hollywood.
Thank you very much. So this is the Hollywood style. Thank you very much, Marit. We wish you a very nice day today with your friend, and we will say to everybody,
Bye.